Few things that I want to let you guys know. When I took over as an iClicker administrator at Boise State University, I did not know iClicker Classic at all. I had few instructors in iClicker Classic, and management told me it's time for us to move the instructors to iClicker Cloud because eventually we're going to be moving to a different LMS. So what I have done is to reach out to the instructors who were using iClicker Classic, and there was one of them that did not want to move to iClicker Cloud. So what I did is I made sure that I work with my IT, because I was part of IT, made sure that all of my Podium computers has iClicker Cloud installed, and I assured my faculty member that I'm going to sit in his iClicker Classic, and if he wants to use iClicker Cloud to test, I'm going to be there with him 100%. Being an administrator, no way, I will not drop it, even if it's just 1%. So I had to understand what he was going through, and it's a constant communication with him. And I reassure all of my faculty members who were using iClicker Classic that they are going to be able to use the remotes. And I met with my instructors in their offices, in their classrooms, to talk about their concerns. And one of the customized support that I have done for the university is I do a one-on-one. And there are 3 things that I prepared everybody, whether they're in iClicker Classic or Cloud. I created an iClicker faculty learning community because I wanted the 6 professors to be talking to other professors. Then they will be there, will get their support from the faculty members. The second thing I also have done is I invited Professor Matt Evans to come to my school. And I think that also helped the transition and just to use the iClicker Cloud in general. And then the other thing that I also have done is I always work with Macmillan support because I do not know everything about everything. So I'm going to go pull the experts. Those 3 things I have done really help. And I always assure when I give my word, I'm there. If I'm not going to be there, somebody's going to be there to help my faculty members. As you guys know, I don't know in your university, but I know most universities like data. Well, in iClicker Classic, I had to call my faculty members. I said, can you please give me my data because I gotta go submit to management and stuff. Well, in iClicker Cloud, that is very, very easy for an administrator to do. So iClicker Classic instructors understood why also I needed those data, because eventually I want us to have an enterprise license for iClicker Cloud because it will be really, really cheaper for students. So these are the things I have done. And I think the main thing is I just built relationship where my faculty members are comfortable in saying what they needed. And then if they have some type of feature that they want, I always go back and try to work with Macmillan. And that's not a problem at all. And I think it helped.